Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. So today also we are going to do level 2 problems from ratio. Okay, so let's start the problem. There was a total of 540 plums in basket A and basket B. After 48 plums were transferred from basket A to basket B, the ratio of the number of plums in basket B to that basket A was 5:4. Just change this ratio from basket A to basket B, not from basket B to basket A. How many plums were there in basket A at first? I think in basket A, okay. So this board is full. I'll try to solve another board. Okay, so what's the data? So we have total of 540 plums in both basket A and basket B. Even if you move few plums from basket A to basket B, the total is same before the operation and after the operation. When you combine both the baskets, there will be 540 plums. So right. So even you are doing some operation, like you are changing some 48 plums from basket A to basket B, the total number of units before the operation and after the operation both are same. So what he is saying, so how the ratio between basket A and basket B, it is 5:4, means 5 units of basket A and 4 units of basket B. So the total is equal to how much? 9 units. So this total is same before the operation and as well as after the operation. So what do you mean by that? So this is 5 units and B is 4 units. So the total is same, means the 9 units value is same, which is 540 plums. So now we got 9 units value. So it's very easy to find out how much 1 unit. Okay. So if 9 units is equal to 540, then 1 unit is equal to how much? Okay. So when we add this together, we should have 540 plums, right? Yes. So I am writing here 9 units is equal to 540. Then 1 unit is equal to 540 over 9. Okay. Once we got 1 unit value, you can find whatever the value he is asking. Okay. So I am making here 9 units, 5 plus 4, 9 units is equal to 540. Then 1 unit is equal to how much? So 9 6 are 54, right? Which is 60. 69s are 540. Means each unit you have how many plums? 60 plums. Okay. So now what is the question? He is asking how many plums were there in basket A at first. So basket A, how many units? So total 5 units. This is after operation, right? Because there will be 48 more plums before operation. Okay. So 5 units. So we got 1 unit is equal to 60. Then 5 units is equal to how much? Which is 300. Okay. So again we have some more, right? 48 more plums, so before operation. Okay. So this is the ratio after operation. So 300 plus 48, which is equal to 348. So very simple problem. So if you change few plums from one basket to another basket also, the total units are same. Just we make it equal to that value, then we got a 1 unit value. Once we got 1 unit, you can find any value, right? Okay, let's see the next problem. The ratio of whose height? I think John's height to Mark's height is 4.3. The ratio of Mark's height to Paul's height is 2.5. Find the ratio of John's height to Mark's height to Paul's height. If the total height of the 3 children is 232 centimeter, find Paul's height. So whenever you want to compare 3 ratio, so all should be same quantity. Okay. But when you compare here James and Mark's, so the ratio 4:3, right? James and Mark is 4:3, and Mark and Paul height is 2:5. Okay, because the quantity is different. So here the same person mark, one he is like 3 units and one place he is like 2 units. As it is the same person, we need to make these two values are same. Okay, how to do that one? Just multiply this one with the 2 and this one with the 3. Okay, so how the ratios changes? 8 is to 6, 6 is to 15. Now we got mark 6, 6. So now all are in same quantity. That means we can compare three ratios, which is 8 is to 6 is to 15. What is the next question? So when they add the total boy's height, then it is 232 centimeter. So now we can add our units also. 8 plus 6 plus 15 is equal to how much? 232 centimeter. Okay, so just add this because it is saying like total number of units, which is equal to 232 centimeters. So we need to add all this stuff. So which is equal to 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 15, which is 29. So 29 units is equal to 232 centimeters. If the 29 units is equal to 232 centimeters, then 1 unit is equal to how much? 232 centimeters over 29, which is equal to 8 centimeters. So now we got 1 unit value as 8 centimeters. If 1 unit is 8 centimeters, then so he's asking about Paul's age, right? So Paul is how many units? 15 units. So 15 units is equal to how much? 15 units is equal to 15 times 8. So which is equal to 120 centimeters. So Paul's height is 120 centimeters. Okay. Come again, 15 units is equal to 15 times 8, which is equal to 120 centimeters. So that's the height of the Paul. Okay. Let's see next question. So let me set the board. Yes. Jack had some red and blue marbles in the ratio 2:3 respectively. After he bought 18 more blue marbles, the ratio became 4:9. How many blue marbles did Jack have in the end? So this is very simple problem, right? So what was the ratio before? It's like 2:3, right? Okay, so after they did some operation, that is they bought some 18 more only blue marbles. Okay, so he didn't specify any about red marbles. Okay, so the ratio changes how? 4:9. Yes, so but even we didn't add anything, the ratio changes 4:9, right? So that means how the ratio will become 2 to 4? So you need to multiply with the 2, which is equal to 2 times 4. Actually 2 3 is 6 has to be there, even if you don't add anything. But when you adding, it becomes how much? 9. So 6 changes to 9. So how many units are increased? Which is 3 units are increased. So 3 units is equal to, what's the value? 18 marbles. Okay, so now we got the clue. So whatever, when you add something, how many units are increased? Which is 3 units. So now we got our clue. 3 units is equal to 18 marbles. If 3 units is equal to 18 marbles, then how much 1 unit? So if we got 1 unit, we can find any value. So 3 units is equal to 18, then 1 unit is equal to 6 marbles. Okay, so now we got 1 unit value, which is 6 marbles. Then what is the question? Okay, once again I am repeating here. Here we have 4 marbles and here we should have 6 marbles, even we didn't do anything, but it becomes 9 when you add 18 marbles. Okay, so that means 3 units are increased. So in terms of units it is 3, and in terms of value it is 18 marbles. Okay, make it equal both values, then we will get 1 unit value. So 1 unit is equal to 6 marbles. So next one, how many blue marbles did Jack have in the end? So Jack had how many? So Jack had total how many blue marbles? So 9 units, right? So now we got 1 unit is equal to 6 marbles. Then 9 units is equal to how much? 9 units is equal to 9 times 6 marbles, which is equal to 54 marbles. So that means Jack have in the end 54 marbles. So 9 units, yeah. 9 times 6, which is equal to 54 marbles. Sorry, you couldn't able to see, but it's okay. I am repeating the answer. So that's it for today's session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.